Now we gave an example. This example, in presence of H nu, it form cis product. Now let's see how this product formation occurs. These are some example of this here trans product is formed. Now another example, here methyl, here methyl, here methyl, and we give H nu, the product which is formed is cis product, Me. How? So this is H nu, and here even photochemical. So what rotation? This rotation. First to understand, this is here what number of pi electron pair is present, and in presence of H nu, so even photochemical this rotation occurs. If we perform this rotation, here methyl group is outside and hydrogen inside, and methyl group is outside. This rotation, this and this type of rotation, then it will give hydrogen, methyl, here methyl, here hydrogen. So this is cis product. This is cis geometry is formed. Okay. So the important thing is here is the selection rule, even thermal conduction. If you remember the selection rule, it is easy for you to predict the product stereochemistry. Okay, now let's see some examples. Let me give you some other example. Okay, if you consider like one methyl group is here and one methyl group is here. This example, if we perform here heat and H nu, what product will fall? Any idea? Let's see. So if we first we consider thermal. Okay, first we consider thermal. Now thermal, there is even thermal, what rotation? Conrotation. Okay, even thermal conrotation. So the hydrogen outside, hydrogen inside. So if you consider this hydrogen outside, this methyl, this hydrogen, this methyl. So if we perform this even thermal conrotation, this conrotation, this hydrogen goes up, methyl goes down, and here hydrogen goes up, methyl goes down. The product is trans product, methyl. This is the trans product. Got it? Okay. Now the second one, and this is conrotation. This hydrogen goes up, here hydrogen goes up. Now photochemical. Now photochemical condition, even photochemical, this rotation. Got it? Even photochemical this rotation. Hydrogen, methyl, this is hydrogen, methyl. If we give this rotation, this rotatory mode, then this and then this. So methyl goes down, hydrogen above, methyl above, hydrogen down, and this is the trans product. So here the product which will be formed, this is methyl, sorry, this is cis product, sorry, this is cis product, this is cis and this is trans, this is cis, this is trans product. This is cis product and this is trans product. So under photochemical condition, this gives disrotatory mode of rotation to form the trans product, but in presence of thermal condition, in conrotatory mode it will give, this is cis product, this is cis product and it gave trans product. And let's see in another example. So you should practice yourself. Let me summarize the whole electrocyclic reaction. So in electrocyclic reaction, the notation is n pi, and the stereospecificity depends on mode of activation, whether this is thermally or photochemically, and the second one is number of pi electron pair present, because the number of pi electron pairs decide whether the rotation will be conrotation or disrotation. Okay, then this is number of pairs. If we here number of pi electron pairs is 3, here number of pi electron pair is 2, so this gives trans, this is cis. Now for electrocyclic reaction, this two terminal carbon orbital has to be phase-wise orbital overlap to form the product. Now what is phase-wise orbital overlap? Because these two phase should be same. This is plus, this is plus. So the bonding situation is there. Now the rotation are two types. One is conrotation, means these two rotation should be same, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And the second one is disrotation. Disrotation means opposite direction, means if one is clockwise, another one should be anti-clockwise. So and this alkene is represented as this is in group, means inside, this is outside. If this is conrotation, this form trans product. If this is conrotation mode and this is conrotation, this is clockwise, and these are both are anti-clockwise to form trans product, and in presence of or disrotation mode, like this mode and this mode, it form cis product. Now the number of pi electron pair, if it is even conrotation thermally and photochemical disrotation, you should remember even thermal conrotation. Now to verify the selection rule, let us consider an example, butadiene to cyclobutene. In electrocyclic reaction, HOMO will be considered. Now the method is called frontier orbital method. So if we draw the molecular orbital of butadiene, then in thermal condition the HOMO is psi 2, in photochemical condition the HOMO is psi 3. So we consider first thermal. So if the reaction occurs thermally, then the rotatory mode is conrotation, because through conrotation there is a bonding situation is here, but through disrotation there is anti-bonding situation. So even thermal conrotation rule is verified. Now under photochemical condition, the HOMO is psi 3. So here in conrotatory mode anti-bonding situation, but in disrotatory mode, so there is a bonding situation. So butadiene to cyclobutene reaction occurs either thermally or photochemically. Thermally it proceeds through conrotatory mode, but in photochemically it proceeds through disrotatory mode to form the product. There is no substituents effect here. So we just consider this example to verify the selection rule. Do not write here either H nu or fit. So this is the verification of selection rule, Woodward-Hoffmann rule. Now let us consider an example which I gave earlier. Here is the detail explanation why cis product is formed, why trans product is formed. Under thermal condition, this is odd, the number of pi electron pair is odd, and this is thermal condition, and this is disrotation, so this gives cis product. And this is photochemical, this form the trans product. And let us consider another example. These two methyl group are outside, and in presence of HNO that form the cis product. Now if we consider another example where these two methyl group, one is inside and another one is outside, in presence of heat it formed the cis product, in presence of HNO this form trans product. The reaction, like to determine the stereochemistry, you have to remember this method, because this method is easier for you to determine the stereochemistry in the product. So this is hydrogen is outside, methyl inside, hydrogen inside, methyl outside. So if you consider this is thermal condition, then there is even thermal conduction that will give cis product. In photochemical condition, even photochemical. And this is disrotatory mode. So if you consider disrotatory mode, this is plus, this is clockwise, and this is anti-clockwise. So the product which is formed is trans product. So you first see the lecture, understand, and try yourself to solve many electrocyclic problems. If you have any problem to draw the product stereochemistry, then let me know. I will give you and some more examples of electrocyclic reaction which are difficult, not so straightforward. Okay, so this is the end of the electrocyclic pericyclic reaction. Next lecture I will give cycloaddition reaction, which is very important reaction. So today, thank you for attention. Thank you for attention. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.